Welcome back to another video of Veranda Race Malayalam. Today in this video we are going to discuss an important topic, that is quadratic equation, right? Quadratic equation, and solve 5 questions in 2 minutes, right? So quadratic equation, why it is important is for bank exam, bank PO level exams, insurance AO level exam, administrative officer level exam, definitely they will ask 5 questions in preliminary exam, 5 questions, right? 5 questions they are asking. For some clerk exam they are asking 5 questions, right? Some clerk exam they are asking, but for PO level exam definitely they will ask 5 questions in preliminary. Main exam, how many questions we can expect is 2 questions or 3 questions, right? Last week SBA clerk main exam also they asked 3 questions. That 5 questions in preliminary, how we can solve 2 minutes. That type of technique and shortcuts only today we are going to discuss in our class, right? Complete basic also and questions and shortcuts, everything, right? Now what is a quadratic equation first? That is, highest power of any equation is 2 means that is called as quadratic equation. Now see the format of this equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, right? In this format only they will give the questions, right? Now here this a is the coefficient of x square. A is the coefficient of x square. B is the coefficient of x. And c is what? Constant. C is one number they will give, constant, right? Now a into c, don't forget, a into c is nothing but, a into c is nothing but product of the roots, clear? A into c, a value into c value is nothing but product of the roots, right? Then this middle value, coefficient of x, b is nothing but sum of the roots. B is nothing but sum of the roots, right? Sum of the roots. Now for example, a into c we are taking, for example, here 3 given, here 3 given, and here for example 6 given. Now 3 and 6 is the product, 3 and 6 is the product. For example, 3 and 6 is the product. So that a into c, 18 should be the product of the roots, and middle value they can give anything, clear? They can give anything. For example, 11 they are giving. That 11 is nothing but sum of the roots. 11 is nothing but sum of the roots. Therefore, product is 18, sum is 11. Which 2 numbers we can select? We can select number 9, number 2. 9 into 2 we will get a product 18. 9 into 2, product is 18. 9 plus 2 we get a number 11. 9 plus 2 we get a number 11, right? This is the basic understanding in the quadratic equation. That is, a into c means product of the roots, b is nothing but sum of the roots. In a question we have to find out the roots, then we can answer. How they will ask a question is, x value is greater than y value is greater than x, right? Or y value is less than x, greater than or equal to, like that inequality, equality questions they will ask here, right? First we have to find the roots, then compare the roots, then only we can able to click the answer, right? Now finding roots, by seeing any equation, how we can find the roots is, we should know one table, right? We should know one table. That is, listen, the table based on one equation given. For example, one equation given, that is x square, that is, the equation is x square, right? X square plus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0. One equation they have given like this, right? Now in any equation what we have to do is, before b what is the sign? Before b what is the sign? That we have to check. Then before c what is the sign? That we have to check. Clear? Now in this equation before b also plus, before c is also plus. Therefore the sign before b is plus, sign before c is plus. Therefore whatever 2 roots we will get, right? The 2 roots are completely negative, right? In that two roots, we can take two roots are negative, like that we can take, right? Now here find the roots, b value plus, c value, c sign is also plus, b sign is also plus. Therefore, definitely two roots are what? That is two roots are what? Definitely minus minus. Two roots are what? Definitely minus minus. Clear? Minus minus. Two roots are what? Definitely minus minus. Okay. Now, this 12 here, x square, is there any coefficient? No coefficient. There is no a value. Therefore, here what is the meaning is 1 x square. That is the meaning, right? Therefore, 1 into 12 means 12 should be the product of the roots. Clear? Then middle value b, 7 should be the sum of the roots. Now, guess any number. 2 number, product is 12, sum is 7. What number we can choose? For the 12, we can take 12 is as 6 into 2, 2 into 6. And same 12 we can consider as 4 into 3 also, 4 into 3. Therefore, see, when we take 4 into 3, we are getting 12 as the product. Same 4 plus 3, we are getting the sum as 7. 4 plus 3, what is the sum? 7. 4 into 3, what is the product? 12. Therefore, the roots are 4 and 3. Roots are what? 4 and 3. But both are plus, b and c are plus. Therefore, roots are minus. We have to take minus 4, minus 3. This is the method, right? Directly see what is a into c value, what is b value, see the sign, based on the sign, find the sign of the roots. Clear? Now, only one table. How we can study the table is, listen, b before c plus means two roots are minus, right? Then before b minus, before c plus given, minus plus means roots are positive, both roots are positive, both roots are positive, right? Now b value plus, before b they have given plus and before c they have given minus. Therefore, the roots are minus plus, roots are minus plus, right? In minus plus, why this greater than symbol included is, find two roots. In that two roots, which number is high, for that put minus. Therefore, roots are minus plus, greater number minus. That is the logic, right? Then last combination, when b, before b sign is minus, before c is also sign is minus, two roots are, one root is plus, one root is minus. Here, greater value plus. Greater value is what? Plus. Greater value is plus. Clear? Right. Now, this table, how we can study easily, how we can write easily is, listen carefully, I am showing, listen. That is, before B sign, before C sign, right? Okay. Now, this area roots. This area is what? Roots. Now, before B, first take plus plus combination. Before B plus given, before C plus given means two roots are negative. That's all. Two roots are negative. That's all. Whatever roots we are getting, put minus. Right? Now, before B minus, before C plus, minus plus. Minus plus means always see the second sign and third sign. X square sign, no need to see. Right? Before B, what is the sign? Before C, what is the sign? That alone we have to see. Right? Minus plus means both roots are positive. Both roots are positive. Now, how we can make the table quickly means, here minus plus we have taken, minus plus. Change that, plus minus. Therefore, what is the meaning? Before B plus, before C minus. Okay. What about the roots? Here we have taken plus minus. Now change this, plus minus, you change this. Minus plus, minus plus. Therefore, minus value greater than, this alone we have to note. Clear? That is, large number we have to take minus. Large number we have to take it as a minus. Clear? Now last combination. Last combination is what? Before B also minus, before C is also minus. Now see the third line, minus plus we have taken. Therefore you take plus minus. Plus minus. Therefore plus is greater. Greater number plus, smaller number minus. That's all. This table easily we can draw. If we are a beginner or a fresher means, after a good practice, In exam hall also 5 question, 5 mark is there, right? In our rough paper, you take this table and find the answer, no problem. Clear this? After a very good practice, no need of this. By seeing that, we can say what is the root. Clear? In case fresher, beginner, we studied and we have a little practice, we are writing means you take this table in rough paper and solve the question, no problem. Clear? Plus plus means roots are minus minus, minus plus means roots are plus plus, plus minus means minus plus, B and C are minus means plus minus, right? Clear? Okay. Now, this is the format of the question, right? X square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0, y square minus 7y plus 12 is equal to 0, solve the quadratic equation and we have to give these answers, right? Whether x is greater than y, x is less than y, x greater than or equal to y, x less than or equal to y, x is equal to y, relationship cannot be established, right? Listen, within seconds we can solve the question, 10 seconds for one question, right? Now first question I will solve, next question onwards you try, right? Now listen, minus plus, b is minus, c is plus, therefore roots are what? X root we need, x root is what? Positive, positive, both roots are positive, okay. Now sum is 4 and product is 8. Sum is 4, product is 8 means only what are the factors for 8? 4, 2 and 1, right? Therefore, 4 into 2 we will get this 8. 4 into 2 we will get this 8. Same 4 plus 2 we will get 6. Yes, we will get 6. Therefore, x is nothing but plus 4 plus 2. That's all, plus 4 plus 2. Right? Now, y value. Product is 12. Product is 12. Sum is 7. What we can take? 12 product. That is 3 into 4 shall we consider? 3 into 4 is nothing but 12. 3 into 4 is 12. Same 3 plus 4 what is the value? 7. Therefore, y value here also minus plus. Both roots are plus plus positive only. 3 into 4 12. 3 plus 4 7. Therefore, 1 root 3 1 root 4. Right? We got the roots quickly. Now, x and y comparison. Right? For beginner, fresher it will be helpful. Write x, write y. Right? Now, first take one value of x, 4. Compare with the remaining two values quickly. Right? First 4 we compare with this 3, 4 is greater. This 4 compare with this 4, 4 is equal to 4. Right? 4 is greater than 3, 4 is equal to 4. Right? Then take this 2, compare this with 3, 2 and 3, 2 is greater or 3 is greater, this y value 3 is greater, y value 3 is greater, right. Now in this situation, listen, in this situation, whenever direction change is there, greater than means completely we will have a greater than, less than means fully we have a less than, right. Greater than or equal to means we have greater than symbol, equal to symbol alone between x and y, right. Less than or equal to means we have less than symbol and equal to symbol alone between x and y. Whenever this situation is there, greater than, less than, direction change is there means go for this answer. That is, relationship cannot be established. Relationship cannot be established, that's all. Clear? One root is higher than another root, one root is lesser than another root. We can't establish the relation. Last option, x is equal to y, relationship cannot be established. This is the answer. Clear? This is the answer. Clear? Now next question, you give the answer, right? Next question, you give the answer. Priyan Kumar, hi, good evening, yes. Okay. Next question. Now this question, you try and give the answer. Minus 16x plus 63 is equal to 0, minus 15y plus 56 is equal to 0, right. Find the roots and compare, give the answer. See, no need to type the option fully, either first option means 1, second option means 2, third option means 3, Fourth option means 4, like that. Give option number alone. Right? Give option number alone. Clear? No need to type fully. Minus plus. Minus plus means what? Both roots are positive. Both roots are positive. Clear? 16x, 63, 15, 56. Clear? Give the answer quickly. Both roots are positive. Yes. Got the answer? Priyan Kumar? Got the answer? Others, many of you are watching. So, listen, minus plus, right? Minus plus. Therefore, before B, sign is minus, before B, sign is minus, before C, sign is plus. Therefore, roots are positive. Roots are what? Positive, right? Now, this A value, no A value, no A value. C is what? 63. Therefore, A into C, 63 is the product of the roots. Therefore, first finding X value, listen, product of the root is nothing but 63. Sum of the same root should be 16. What number we can choose? What number we can choose? Product should be 63. Therefore, shall we select the roots as 9 and 7? 9 sevens are what is the value? 63. 9 sevens are 63. We are getting the product. Okay. 9 plus 7, what is the value? 9 plus 7, what is the value? We will get 16. 9 plus 7, we are getting a value 16. Therefore, what are the roots? 9, 7. X value 9, 7. X value 9, 7. Right? 9 into 7, 63. 9 plus 7, 16. X value 9 and 7. X value plus. Roots are positive, right? Now y value we have to find out, we have to take this equation. Y value we have to take from this equation, that is y square minus 15y plus 56 is equal to 0 given. From that A value is not there, right? Therefore product is what? Product should be 56. Two number, product should be 56. Two roots, sum should be 15. Therefore, which number we can choose? From product only we can able to guess the results quickly, right? 56. What are the possible ways we can take 56? That is 14 fours are 56. Whether 14 plus 4 we are getting 15? No, right? Simple, 7 8s are 56. Therefore, 7 into 8 we get this number 56. 7 plus 8, we get this number 15. Therefore, sum of the roots 15, product of the roots 56 means definitely roots y value is nothing but 7, 8. 7, 8. Clear? X value this side 9, 7, y value this side 7, 8. Now comparison. How we have to do? Right? Listen, first write x. Then write y. Clear? X value 9. Compare with the remaining two values of y, 7 and 8. 9 is greater than 7 also. 9 is greater than 8 also. 9 is greater than 7 also. 9 is greater than 8 also. Therefore greater. 9 is greater than 7. Greater than symbol. That 9 is greater than 8. Greater than symbol. Right? Then compare next value. 7 with this 7. 7 with this 7 means 7 and 7 are equal. 7 and 7 are equal. Again 7 and 8 we are comparing means 7 and 8 we are comparing means what is the meaning? 8 is greater than 7. 8 is what? Greater than 7. Again see the situation what we are getting? Greater than, equal to, less than, direction change. Therefore, we can go for relationship cannot be established. Direction change means relationship cannot be established. Clear this everyone? Clear this? So why is this audible? Clear up to this everyone? Clear? So give your replies. Clear? See, minus plus, roots are positive, x roots are positive, product should be 63, sum should be 16, therefore we consider a number 9 and 7. 9 7s are 63, 9 plus 7 16, right? The next value is what? This is x value, then y value. Y value is what? Product is 56, sum is 15, therefore we are considering 7 and 8. Roots are positive. Now 9 compare with 7, 9 greater. 9 compare with 8, 9 is greater. Then 7 compare with 7, 7 is equal, okay. But 7 compare with 8, 7 is less, greater than, less than, therefore the result is relationship cannot be established. Relationship cannot be established. Clear? Now, see here, to understand I am writing this everything and showing, clear? But in exam by seeing this we can say okay 9 and 7, 7 and 8, then compare, easily we can click the answer. So 5 question, 2 minutes is more than enough, right? Now this question, you try this question, x square 11x plus 30. Now x value we want to find out, I will give an idea then you try. Both b and c plus plus, first line in the table, plus plus. Therefore, roots are what? Minus minus. Both roots are minus. Now, what about y value? Y value is also plus plus, b also plus, c also plus. Therefore, definitely roots are minus minus. Clear? Now, think sum is 30, so sum is 11, product is 30. Sum is 13, product is 42. What are the numbers? Think and fill this area, then compare. Right? Try. Try and give the answers. X value, product should be 30, sum should be 11, this b. B is always sum, product is this value because x square has no coefficient. This is for x value we have to find out, okay. Y value what we have to find out? That is in y, this is the product. Therefore, product is 42 and sum is actually 13. What may be the numbers? Clear? Got the roots? Then compare, right? Then while comparison in a minus, minus 1 is greater than minus 2, right? Minus 1 is greater than minus 2. Normally in positive numbers, higher numbers are greater. In a negative numbers, lower numbers are greater, right? Don't forget, because the scale will be like this, scale 0, this is minus 1, this is minus 2, this is 1, this is 2, it goes on like this, right? Minus 3. Now always this direction only greater, that direction only greater. Therefore, minus 1 greater than minus 2, yes. Minus 1 greater than minus 3, yes. Right? Minus 1.5 greater than minus 3, yes. Minus 1.5. Lower numbers in minus are greater than higher numbers in minus. Right? Okay. So, got the answer? Just to give you the options, right? 1 is the option, 2 is the answer, 3, just to give the options, right? Just to give the options. Clear? Now listen. Okay. Now plus and plus. Therefore roots are what? Both roots are minus. Both roots are minus. Now product should be 30. Sum should be 11. Therefore shall we take 5 and 6? 5 into 6 30. 5 plus 6, what is the value? 11. Therefore the roots are what? 5 and 6. Both roots are minus. Therefore minus 5 minus 6. That's all. No need of pen and paper. We can write this quickly in the exam, right? Then next what is given, that is 1342. Product should be 42. Shall we consider 6 sevens are 42? 6 sevens are 42. 6 plus 7 13. B and C are plus. Therefore roots are minus. Therefore minus 6 minus 7 is the root. Minus 6 minus 7 is the root. Minus 6 minus 7 is the root. Now compare x value, y value. Comparison, minus 5 greater than minus 6. Minus 5 is more than minus 6. Right? In negative, lesser number are higher. Right? Then compare minus 5 with minus 7. With this we are comparing. Now with this we compare. Take one number and compare with complete two numbers. Right? Minus 5, minus 7, which is greater? Minus 5 is greater. Yes, minus 5 is greater. Right? Now take the next number, minus 6. Now compare with the minus 6, minus 6, minus 6, they are equal. Minus 6 means they are equal, right? Now compare this, minus 6 and minus 7, which is greater? Lower number in the negative is greater. Therefore, minus 6 is greater. Now see the result throughout the question, see the result. X is greater than, equal to, greater than y. Therefore, only two symbols are there. Greater than, equal. Therefore, what is the answer is? X is greater than or equal to y. X is greater than or equal to y is the answer. X is greater than or equal to y. Clear? Now, next question, right? Next question. Now, this question also, roots are what? B and C. Now, we want to find the value of x, right? X value we want to find out. Listen carefully, right? B plus, B sign is plus, C sign is plus. Therefore, both roots are negative. Therefore, first itself we can say both roots are negative. Okay. Now, y value, that is plus plus, again B plus C plus. Now, we can say both roots are again minus. Plus plus means roots are minus minus. We can say minus minus, right? Now, we have to see in first x value, we are considering this equation. Therefore, here there is no a. Check carefully, there is no a. Therefore, 1 is there. 1 into 45, therefore, product should be 45, sum should be 14. This is actually mind calculation. Here, fresher also you have to understand, so I am saying, right? 45 and 14. Therefore, two numbers, product is 45, sum is 14. What are the numbers we can take? Shall we take 9 and 5? 9, 5? Yes. 9 into 5 is what? 45. 9 plus 5 is what? 14. Therefore, the roots are 9, 5. Okay. Now, x is equal to what? Roots are minus. Therefore, write minus 9, minus 5. Right? Minus 9, minus 5. That's all. This area completely mind calculation. For comparison alone, we are writing this. Minus 9, minus 5. Okay. Now, do this. 13y plus 30. 13y plus 30. How we can approach? That is, here y we have to find out, okay. And product is what? Product should be 30 and sum should be what? 13. Which two number we can choose? Which two number we can choose? That is, product should be 30 and sum should be 13. Therefore, what number we can choose is 5 into 6. 5 into 6 is what? 30. 5 into 6, 30. But 5 plus 6 is not 13. Okay. Now, next what is the number we can choose is, next possible combination what we can choose is, that is 10 and 3. Shall we choose 10 and 3? Shall we choose 10 and 3? Yes, 10 and 3 we can choose. Therefore, roots are what? 10 comma 3. So 10 into 3 we will get 30, 10 plus 3 we will get 13. Therefore, both roots are minus, therefore minus 10 minus 3. Minus 10 minus 3. Now comparison, next step we have to compare. Write x, write y. Minus 9 compare with first value minus 10. X one value you take, compare with two values of y quickly. Right? Minus 9 minus 10, minus 9 is greater. Right? Lesser number greater in minus. Okay. Then minus 9 minus 3 which is greater? Obviously minus 3 is greater. Right? That is minus 3 is greater. Smaller number in negative is greater. Now see, here itself we are getting this situation. Greater than, less than. Therefore, no need to continue comparison. No need to do. Click this answer, move to next question. Relationship cannot be established. That is the fast approach. Clear this? Quickly see the question, find the roots. X and Y comparison quickly you do. Right? In that, how we can say one greater, one less is there. That's all. Cannot be established. Click and move to next question. Clear? Clear this? Right. Then next question. Right. Now this question, see this question carefully. Right? X square minus 15x plus 50 is equal to 0. X square minus 15x plus 50 is equal to 0. Y square plus 17y plus 60 is equal to 0. Listen, for this minus plus b minus c plus. Therefore, x root is what? Definitely positive, positive. Clear? And y roots is what? Y roots. B plus C plus. Therefore, y root is definitely negative. Now listen, one super shortcut is there. Listen, 5 question, 2 minutes. Right? Now, this x root is what? Completely positive. Y root is what? Completely negative. See the situation? X root is fully positive, Y root is fully negative. Therefore, without finding the root, shall we say complete positive is greater than complete negative? Clear? Without finding root, shall we confirm? That is positive is fully greater than negative. Therefore, what is the result? X greater than Y. No need to find the roots. Right? No need to find the roots. But this situation, we can apply that shortcut. Don't forget. This situation they are giving in exam means we can apply the shortcut. Clear? How we are solving? One more time, listen. X is nothing but B value minus C value plus. Therefore, both roots are positive for X. Both roots are positive for X. Right? And what about Y value? B value plus C sign is also plus. Therefore, Y root is completely negative. Let it be any number, any high equation, no problem. X value fully positive, Y value fully negative. Therefore, positive values are completely greater than negative values. Therefore, we can say X is greater than Y, therefore, first option. That's all. Clear? Right? So, these type of question it will take only 10 seconds. See, we didn't find the root, right? Now, we find the root. For example, we are finding the root means X value product 50 is sum 15. Therefore, shall we take 10 and 5? 10 into 5, 50. 10 into 5, 50. 10 plus 5, 15. Positive. Now, here 60 and 17. Shall we take 12 and 5? 12 5s are 60. 12 plus 7, 12 plus 5, 17. B and C positive, roots are negative. Roots are what? Negative. Now 10 compare with minus 12, 10 is greater. 10 compare with minus 5, 10 is greater. 5 compare with minus 12, plus 5 is greater. 5 compare with minus 5, 5 is greater. Therefore, definitely these values are greater than minus 12 and minus 5. Therefore, we can say X greater than Y. But without finding roots, already we got the answer. Clear? This shortcut note down, very useful shortcut, right? Very useful shortcut. Clear? Minus plus situation, plus plus situation, we can apply the shortcut, right? Okay. Now, next question. Try this question you try and give the answer, right? No need of pen and paper for this question, right? No need of pen and paper for this question. See this question and give the answer. Just give the option number alone, right? Option number alone. Everyone can able to do this, right? No need to find the roots, no need to compare. See and say the answer. Yes, give the answer. Give. Live chat, right? Alfia, very good. X is less than Y, good. Good Alfia, very good. Good, second option, right? X value completely negative, Y value positive, very good, very good. Others? Give the answer, yes. So these questions normally, out of 5 questions, 1 question they are asking. This means that 1 question we can able to do within 2 or 3 seconds, right? Then remaining time we can spend for other questions also, maximum 2 minutes, 5 questions 2 minutes, right? Clear? Okay, others? Right. Now, listen, x, b is plus, c is also plus. Therefore, x root is what? Completely minus minus. Y root is what? Minus plus means completely roots are positive, positive, right? Therefore, x value negative, y value positive. Definitely negative is less than positive. Negative is less than positive, therefore x less than y. X less than y, second option, Alfia gave the right answer, good, right? Clear? Okay. Now, next one. Now, next question, x plus 5x minus 36 is equal to 0, y square plus 7y minus 44 is equal to 0, right? For this question also, one important shortcut is there that we discussed last, right? First, normally we find the answer, right? Normally we find the answer, then I will give you the shortcut, very effective shortcut, right? Listen, first normally we are finding the answer. Now, x value we are going to find out, right? X value we are going to find out. Clear? X value we are going to find out. Now, see B symbol is what? Plus and minus. Therefore, roots are what? Minus plus. Roots are minus plus means third line. Roots are minus plus means higher value minus, higher number minus, smaller number plus. Higher number minus and smaller number plus, right? Okay. Now, normal situation, see, normally we are going to add 2 numbers. Normally we are going to add 2 numbers, 5 plus 5, we say the result 10. Sum of 5 plus 5 is what? 10, right? Minus 5, what is the result? Minus, both are minus, we are adding only. Sum is what? Minus 10, minus 10. Now, minus 5 plus 5, what is the result? Here also we are taking sum only, but the sign is what? Minus and plus means that number, that sum become difference. Clear? When both sign is positive, we are adding the numbers. When both sign is same sign, we are adding only, adding the numbers, adding the values, right? Then negative is there, we are putting negative symbol. When one sign positive, one sign negative, subtraction is the result. Clear? Now here 5 minus 3, 5 minus 3, what is the result? One is positive, one is negative. Therefore difference, sum is what? Difference. 5 and 3, what is the difference? 2. Higher value plus, therefore plus only. Now this basic everyone we know, right? Divakar gave the answer, very good. Divakar gave the answer, very good. This everyone we know, right? Now same logic we can apply, that is So same logic we can apply. One root is plus, one root is minus. Therefore x root is what? X root is nothing but minus plus. Minus is greater, greater number minus, smaller number plus. Okay, right? Now here sum is 30, product is 36 and sum should be 5. Therefore, the product should be 36 and sum should be 5. Now here don't waste time in 2 plus 3, 1 plus 4 like that, don't check, don't waste time like that. Because here roots are negative and positive. Therefore, their sum means what is the meaning? Difference between two roots, that is the meaning. Therefore, on that approach we have to think. When roots sign are different, middle value is the difference, B is the difference. That keep in your mind, clear? Therefore, what we can do? Product is 36 and difference of two numbers should be 5. What number we can select? Product is 36, 6 6 are 36, 18 2s are 36, right? 9 4s are 36 also, right? Therefore, when we take two numbers 9 and 4, we are getting product 36, confirm, right? 9 and 4 difference is what? 5. 9 and 4 difference is what? 5. Roots are, both root sign is different, B is difference, don't forget, clear? Therefore, 9 and 4 difference is what? Actually 5, okay. Now next step what we have to do? Minus plus, therefore minus for the higher number, therefore 9 is minus, 4 is plus, okay, 9 is minus, 4 is plus, right. Now y what we can do? Same concept, plus minus means roots are what? Minus plus, higher number minus, smaller number plus. Now product is what? We need product is 44 and sum is what? 7. Here roots are positive, negative, sum is what? Actually difference, right. Therefore, multiply 44, difference 7. Shall we consider 11 and 4, right? Therefore, again highest number minus smallest number plus. Therefore, these are the roots, right? Minus 9, minus 4, minus 11, minus 4, these are the roots. Now compare x and y comparison, right? Minus 9 compare with minus 11, minus 9 greater. Minus 9 compare with 4, minus 9 compare with 4, again 4 is greater. Direction change or not? Direction change. Therefore, we can click the answer, relationship cannot be established. Clear? Relationship cannot be established, right? Now, what is the super shortcut is? Listen, there is a super shortcut for this question. No need to solve this question. In exam, don't solve this question, click the answer. What is shortcut is? In a question, in one equation before C minus given, In another equation also before C minus given means, see this symbol, that is before C minus minus given. Always answer is cannot be determined. Always answer is what? Cannot be determined. That is fifth option. No need to work out. Clear? But why I have worked out is, you should know sign change means, plus minus means middle number difference. That concept everyone understand. For that I have worked out. Clear? But here what is shortcut? Before C minus is there. Always answer is cannot be determined. Always answer is cannot be determined, right? Now here one more two equation we are taking means x square and we take 6x, here minus given, right? Y square plus 6y or 4y, anything, here minus given. Before C minus means always answer cannot be determined. That's all, irrespective of any value, right? Always answer is minus. Divakar, very good. Divakar, good, right? Now try this question. Try this question. Normally how many seconds you will take for this now? Try. How many seconds you will take for this question? Try. Alfia, Divakar, what is the answer for this question? $100, $15, $120, $19. Before C, first equation symbol is minus. Before C, second equation symbol is also minus. Right? What is the answer? Quick, yes. Alphia, good, good. Right? That's all. See, no need to work out, no need to find the roots. Right? 100 is there, 15 is there, 20 and 5. Right? No need to work out, no need to solve this question. Directly click the answer. Right? Divakar? Right. Now listen, before C minus in the equation. Therefore, what is the answer? Cannot be determined. Clear? Even though you don't know the quadratic equation concept also, with these two shortcuts, at least one question we can answer. Right? That is, whenever B and C, whenever before B minus given, before C plus given, roots are positive, positive. At the same time, whenever B is also plus, C sign is also plus means roots are negative, negative. Positive greater than negative. That is first shortcut we have worked out. Second shortcut is what? In any equation, before this constant minus given, before this constant minus given in any equation, right? Always what is the answer? Cannot be determined. That's all. Very effective and important shortcut. Cannot be determined. Before C, minus, minus, click the answer, cannot be determined. Clear? Yes. Now, 6th level of practice method, right? So, Veranda race is providing 6th level of practice method for the students, complete classes, syllabus oriented classes. Then after the class, practice circle is there, right? Then students are focused on the extreme circle. Then super batch mains oriented questions and mains oriented level of practice. Then lab facility is there. Then mock interview guidance and mock interview is provided. Now for admissions, for offline classes, please contact this number, and online batches you can contact this number. Note down the numbers, right? So we came to the end of the session, right? Many of you watched this and many of you gave the answers, right? Participated in the live chat, but some of you didn't participate, right? Some of you didn't participate, right? So participate, right? Take it as a sportive, participate. If wrong means okay, no problem, I will correct it, right? So we come to the last part of the class, but quadratic equation is not completed. Some more sessions are there that we will work out different questions. With this we will conclude all. Thank you for watching.